It's a rich beer. I can feel the alcohol on the tongue. And on the way down. It's not a particularly grainy beer. It's got body. There's no doubt about this. The malt is giving it body. But the real key to this are the hops. And they're not kicking me in the parts, you know. They're kind of relaxed. I don't understand it. Admiral, you can bring the fleet down to DEFCON 1, please. This is not a torpedo here. This is a wow. Well, if I reviewed this before, I'm going to check and make sure. If I did, there'll be a link up there. If not, there won't be a link. But does Atomic Torpedo Imperial IPA from Sierra Nevada meet expectations? No. No, I'm sorry, it doesn't. Oh well. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. Share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.